Hey, attention crypto gossipators, things are about to get interesting. Remember, not financial advice.
Hey guys, what is up? Hope everyone is doing well. Hope everyone's having an amazing day because I am as usual. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. So, today we need to discuss the reason why I think SHIB is going to have a factor to make it explode in price, right? I don't know how big, how strong this explosion is going to be, but there is just one point that very few actually discuss, and I think it is very important. And it's not the burns, right? It's the rookie money, right? The retail investors, so those that kind of are looking to put in money, probably don't have that much money, but are still looking to make some gains. Now, the rookie money, which I call it this way, right? This is how I like to refer to it. I think is going to be flowing in at very large sums. I know SHIB is a lot about the whales and about the big money, but guys, we shouldn't ignore the rookie money. And why is it going to be flowing in, right? And why is it going to be so much of it collectively all pushing in and providing that serious a pump? So guys, the reason behind this is because before the bull run starts, before the altcoin season starts, probably there'll be a lot of news. There'll be a lot of social media outlets talking about it, news outlets. I mean, everyone's going to be discussing it, and there are going to be crazy amount of opportunities to make money. So the money is going to be pouring in like no tomorrow. The hype is going to be there. And guess what? There are many, many hungry individuals that really want to make the most out of it. They will expect, like an overnight flip. They will have some massive, crazy expectations. And what they will do is not go deep into every crypto because there's just too much choice out there. They will, of course, open up the charts, right? And they will see the top cryptos. And they will look at what and where could they load. Now, if I was to open up these cryptos, let me just give you an example. You see SHIB, right? In the top 20, we're holding, in a very stable position. And what actually makes it stand out a lot in the top 20 is its price. And a lot of investors out there are looking for a big load up on their bag. Of course, going into Bitcoin isn't very attractive for them because of the price. Ethereum, although they could get a fraction of it, but still they want to hold a lot of something. And I think this is where SHIB really goes in and provides this opportunity. You could be loading up on a lot of it. And if they go and dive deeper, right, in Shiba Inu, they will see that in 2021, SHIB was killing it. Percentages were flowing out of the sky. I mean, we're talking millions of % of return. So they will probably look into it and say, well, how is this even possible? And it's very simple. If you look at any article that talks about how, the SHIB millionaire was created, it was all through the fact that SHIB had a lot of zeros, 10, 9 zeros, 8 zeros. So those zeros were being eliminated and more money was produced. So guess what? SHIB still has a lot of zeros. The average investor may not actually understand that some serious burning would need to be done, serious demand, in order for us to remove this. They probably don't know that SHIB hasn't had that many moves in the past 2 years. It's been very quiet. Well, just like the whole crypto market in general. But what they will really, really look into are these zeros. And some of you are going to say right now, well, you know what? F SHIB. That's what many investors are going to think. They would just invest into other cryptos with more returns. But the thing is, many investors, what they will be doing in this upcoming bull run, and I'm talking about these rookie investors, specifically rookie investors, they will just invest into a lot of cryptos. They'll have a bag. Say, for example, they'll divide, $100 and just stick it into a few cryptos and expect one to absolutely go mental, parabolic, and, cover the losses of all the other ones. Or at least not all the other ones, because I'm pretty sure everything's going to pump. But this one is going to be their bread maker, their cash cow. So I think SHIB is definitely going to be in a lot of bags, especially those rookie investors. Guys, rookie investors are just clicking on charts and they're, look at this. I'm going to open up the all chart. And they see this and they're like, wow, this is the last bull run. Guess what? Next bull run, boom. Boom. That's what they're thinking. Simple as that. And I know you're probably going to think, wow, that's not very intelligent, is it? It's pretty dumb. But come on, you all know that most investors that made a ton of money actually got very, very lucky in the last bull run. I mean, look at these SHIB holders in the past bull run. It was all, in my opinion, just luck. I mean, SHIB was nothing at the time. They couldn't have known anything, but it just kind of paid off, and many other cryptos also paid off. So I think a lot of people are going to try to get lucky, and they will be willing to risk that money. They will be willing to put that money. And guess what? SHIB is going to be a massive contender to take all that money. So, of course, looking at the past charts, the rankings, the cheapness of SHIB, and the fact that it has so many zeros, it makes it such a beautiful, nice investment for the bull run. And on top of it, we're going to have so much hype around the bull run. And everybody's going to be talking about, the past performers. Who did well in the past? And guess what is going to shine? SHIB. Of course, SHIB. SHIB's going to be up there. So why not give SHIB a second chance? Why not let it do the same magic? Now, of course, you're going to have a lot of investors watching the whales where they put their money. And the great thing about SHIB is that, again, we've got a lot of whales and we've got a lot of long-term average holders. On average, a lot of long-term holders. So the point here is that SHIB is just the perfect investment for someone that is getting into cryptos. And you know how it is with the crypto market. A lot of rookies, they don't know much, they don't get it, they don't understand it, and they will go for what looks beautiful. And we look beautiful. It's a fact, we look beautiful. Everybody wants us. So make note of that and understand that. And I wouldn't brush it off, because that's a lot of money going in. Collectively, that's crazy. And that is what we need. We need demand, we need capital, we need volume to pour in. And we need that push overall, that massive push. It needs to perform this bull run. And I think many people will believe in this, and hopes are very high, very, very high. We're going to get a lot of SHIB influencers also talking about it. And, this whole notion that cryptos are just a gamble, a scam, it doesn't make any sense, and so on. A lot of these minds will actually start being a little bit more favorable during the bull run, and there's going to be a serious FOMO kicking in, because all these people that probably said a lot of bad things about cryptos, guess what? They may be changing their minds, a lot of them. I wasn't very bullish about cryptos when they first came out. Right? I thought it was very strange, this digital currency. I mean, how does that even work? I can't teach it, I can't feel it. I can't touch it. So what is this? And then as I started slowly looking at it, and then I started looking at the type of bull runs that happen, reading the article, Shiba Inu really caught my attention. That was one of the biggest things that caught my attention. That was a few years ago. So this year, I think, when crypto in general, overall, will get a lot of exposure, when all the news outlets will be talking about it, and the investment advisors and financial consultants, everybody's going to be discussing cryptos, you will see a crazy flow of money into it. And get ready, and I'm talking about these rookie investors, right? Rookie money. But rookie money altogether makes a lot of money. And a lot of cryptos really want their money. Why not? Right? At the end of the day, we need to pour in cash to make it work. It's all about action and volume. So if you have any thoughts in regards to everything I have said, leave it down below in the comment section. Let's talk, let's discuss. Don't be shy. Make yourself heard. Also, guys, subscribe with the notifications bell on, right? Like I've said, all the engagement in this channel really helps out. So thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.